remove your air box cover to the throttle body. The breather tube hose off the back. And then the clips on the airbox. First thing you're going to do is disconnect the connector, pull the tab. Let's get that out of the way. And you're going to have two mounting screws. They're Torx bits. So it's a Torx T25. Got one mounted on the top at an angle. The other one's right down here at the bottom. This fuel rail might be in the way, just a smidge, but if you can break it free. So I actually got it with an extension. I can just back it off with your hand. Good news is it comes with new hardware, but it's right here. Make sure the new one has the O-ring seated correctly, and we're gonna turn it so that the plug lines right up where it's supposed to. And new hardware, and just start it by hand. So the new hardware is a T20 Torx. The old one is a T25. I'm just going to snug them up. So the torque specs on this is 60 inch-pounds. Now we're going to take the connector, line it up, and slide it on until it clicks.